Welcome back. What is the primitive types that we have in Java? So primitive types are basically known, I think, across different languages. First, we have the byte, which is simple 1 byte here, and it ranges from -128, I think, to 127. So I think it's within this kind of range. So I'm gonna make it like this dots here, and this is the range of this byte. We have also another type here, which is short, which is basically 2 bytes, and the range. To be honest, I'm not gonna add a calculation here, but you can calculate it on your own. It's 2 bytes. We have int as well, and we have int is 4 bytes, and we have long, which is the double of that, which is 8 bytes, and those are for the basically numbers, which is like integer number without any decimal. But if we're talking about decimal points and decimal digits, we're gonna be discussing float is 4 bytes, and has lower precision than the next primitive type, which is double. Double is an 8 byte, and it has more precision than float. Float is 4 byte, double is 8 byte. So we have also character, which is char, which is 2 bytes, which is towards single Unicode character. If you don't know what's Unicode, I have mentioned it in one of my videos. We have also boolean, which is just 1 bit, which is true or false. And basically those are the main primitive types that we have in Java, and I believe it's mostly available in different other languages as well.